So what mga angels?
Look at ma'am.
So pretty ba nilang tulo? Ay, nagsunod ba na silang tulo ay nagdurim ni. Karon napod sunod napod mo magdurimi pag napod na ang inyong gidala-dala di ha.
Ikabuok magdurin.
Alak ka.
Naman na sila manghod, September.
Over there. Mommy.
What happened your mommy? Oh, Mommy Elena. Mommy Elena. Princess ba nila ay?
Why they're putting the wall?
Dili kawawa, Mami.
Put it tower. Put it tower.
Loy, naka-English ang isa dahil. Nag-practice na siya dahil.
Ay nang ubano dyan sa English speaking.
Si eat.
Spoken dollar ba?
Yoy, Kelsey.
You don't eat, your tummy is hurt. Sino na?
Mami is angry, oh. Mami angry.
Mommy's angry na.
Mami Elena. You eat na. Mami sad na, Mami sad.
Mommy crying na, Mommy Elena crying na. You don't eat.
No, you eat. If you eat, Mami is happy.
It's only small. Hurt daw iyang teeth. Uy.
Sakit lagi na yung ano. Kainit. Hindi namin magdugay. Asa mo sabay?
Nihangyo si Ate Lani kay Lablab na lang kay. Masabay naman siya kay Ate Bimbing. So, katong space niya kay Lablab.
Ni?